So hello friends, welcome back in a new video of our channel Learning Tube. I am Tamim Mondol. As I promised you in the previous video that in the next video we shall discuss about number line. So today it is here. Today we are going to discuss about number line. Now what is number line? A line on which integers or numbers are represented is called number line. You know about integers that it contains negative number, 0 and positive number. So in which line we write those integers, that is known as number line. See here, the 0 is in the center point of the number line and it extends to infinity in the right side and also infinity in the left side. So it has no end. So 0 is in the middle and in the right side it will be positive numbers. Positive numbers will be in the right side. Now what are positive numbers? Positive numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Like these are positive numbers. At the before of the positive numbers we have to add the sign plus, or we cannot do this. There are two options. If you give plus, then it will be denoted as positive number, and if you don't give plus, then it also will be denoted as a positive number. But if you want to denote a number as a negative number, then it is compulsory to put a minus sign before that number. Like I have given minus sign before each numbers which are in the left of 0, means they are negative integers. They are negative integers. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6 ... they are known as negative integers. So I hope that you have realized that how to represent an integer in a number line. Now if anyone says mark plus 4, means 4 in the number line, then you have to say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 on number line. Denote minus 6 in number line. So it is minus 6. Now if anyone tells you to denote plus 8 or 8 in number line, then what you shall do? You have to extend the number line. This is the number line and you have to extend it. Now here is 7, here is 8. So it is 8. I have marked 8. It is 8 on the number line, and it can be extended more. So now let's know some more facts about number line. Now see, if we add two positive numbers, now what will be happen? Now two positive numbers will be added. 2 is a positive number. Here I am writing 2 is a positive number and 3 is a positive number. If we add these two numbers, then the result will be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the sum of two positive numbers are always positive numbers. Like here is 2, it is 2, and what we have to go 3 steps forward in the right side. So 1 step, 2 step and 3 step. What is the answer? It is 5. So I have also written 5 as the sum of these two integers. Now what will be the sum of two negative integers? Let's see. There are two negative integers, minus 1 and minus 4. So minus 1 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 5. Now it is minus 1 and we have to count it on backward on left side. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps backward in the left side, where we have denoted these integers as negative integers. So the sum will be minus 5. It is minus 5. So I hope that you have realized what happens if we add two positive integers and two negative integers. Now what shall happen if we add a positive integer and a negative integer? Let's see. So a positive integer is 2 and a negative integer is minus 8. Now let's add this. 2 plus minus 8 is minus 6. If the negative integer after 2 is bigger than 2, then it shall be, here minus 6, it shall be in negative integer, and if the sign minus is, if the integer after minus is smaller than 2, then it will be positive integers. What I am saying this, like 2 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 6, which is in the negative integers, but 2 plus minus 1 is equal to 1, which is in the positive side. So here 1 is less than 2. So I hope that you have realized this concept. So friends, welcome to part number 2. So in this part we shall think that what happens if we add a positive integer to a number. Now let 2 a number and 3 as a positive integer. Now it is 2 and we have to add 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 5. So we can say that if we add a positive integer to an integer, then the answer will come in the right side. It grows in the right side. And now what happens if we add a negative integer to a number? So think 3 as a number and minus 5 as a negative integer. Now it is 3 and we have to go 5 rounds backward. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is minus 2. So plus is equal to minus 2. Now minus 2 is in the answer. Now we have to move backward, means in the left side if we add a negative integer to an integer. Now see another topic in set number 3. So friends, welcome to set number 3. Now in this set we shall think about what happens if we subtract a positive integer from a number. Now think 3 as a number and 2 as a positive integer. Now what happens if we subtract? Now for subtracting we have to move backwards. Now 3 is the number and we have to move 2 steps backward, because now we are subtracting, we are not adding anything. Okay, now it is 1, which is in the left side of the given number. So it goes left when we subtract a positive integer to another integer. Now what happens if we subtract a negative integer to integer? Now let's see. Think minus 2 as an integer and minus 3 as an negative integer. Now it is minus 2 and we have to subtract minus 3. Now what happens? We have to move forward 3 times. Now 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 1. Is 1. Now let me tell you a thing for multiplication. Now plus and plus denotes plus, plus and minus denotes minus, minus and minus denotes plus, and minus and plus denotes minus. Now you can see for the multiplication of any two same numbers it will be plus, and the multiplication of any different numbers it will be minus. So we shall explain this topic in the fourth video of our integers chapter. So now in the third video, it is the second video, and in the third video we shall discuss about LCM, HCF, common factors, factors and multiples. So stay tuned with us. It is the second part and the first part is integers, which I have uploaded ago. Now if you want to see the video of integers, now you have to go to the I button given in the 3 dots, and you can also check out this in the descriptions. So if you have liked this video, then please like, subscribe to our channel Learning Tube and on the notification bell. If you have not done this all yet, then please do.